Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on HTC U23 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open, and here you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions and select AI assistant, and you have to allow this application to display over other applications, and now click back and click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can click it and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle here. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.